Hello, my name is Kimberly Byers, and I would like to demonstrate creating an FTP site. An FTP site is used for sending very large files that will not go through email due to their size. First, we will open up a remote desktop connection, and we will connect to the ftp.lnh.net. Once your login box comes up, you will make sure that your login or your username is in. You will put in your password, and the password is generally a password that the company designates. From this point, you will click on Yes. Okay, what you see now is going to be the FileZilla server. And at this point, we will need to create a group, we will need to create a user, and we will also need to create a folder within the D drive of FTP site. So first we will go down to Start, Computer. You will click on the FTP D drive, and we're going to create a new folder. This new folder is going to be called Disneyland. Once that folder is created, we can actually close out of the FTP D drive. And now we can create our group. Over here to the right is a list of all the groups that have been created. We want to create a new group. We're going to click on Add. And our new group will be called the same thing as we named our folder. And that's going to be called Disneyland. I'm going to click OK. From here we will click on Shared Folders. Click on Add. Click on, or actually open the box for the FTP D drive. You're going to find your folder that you named Disneyland and click OK. You will at this point start giving permissions, and I'm going to go ahead and open all the permissions. This gives the group Disneyland all the permissions in the Disneyland folder. They will be able to read, write, delete, append. Okay, I'm going to click OK from here. Now so far I have created my folder in the D drive and my group. Now that's left is to create my user. So I'm going to click on the single icon here. I'm going to add a user. All this list of people here are previous users that have been added. So I'm going to click Add. My user's name will be Minnie Mouse. Okay, and at this point I need to put her in a group, and I'm going to put her in the group Disneyland. That is the group that I just created. So I'm going to click OK, and at this point I'm going to set the password for Minnie Mouse. I will click on Shared Folders. I will click on Add. I want to add the folder that Minnie Mouse can get into. We're going to click on the D drive. We will click on Disneyland. Click OK. And once they are linked, I'm going to then give Minnie Mouse permissions. And it's actually up to the person who creates the user and the folder and the group as to what permissions they would like to give that person. From this point, you will click OK. And that is how you set up an FTP site.